MI-311 Tilting TV Wall Mount Installation. Remove the bolts that are pre-installed in the long side of the wall plate and use them to attach it to the short side of the wall plate as shown. Wood stud installation. With a stud finder, locate the studs and center the mount on the studs at the desired height. Using a bubble level to ensure straightness, hold the wall plate to the wall and mark the center of the 4 mounting holes with a pencil. Use a 3/16 of an inch drill bit and drill on the marked locations. Secure the wall plate to the wall using the provided lag screws and washers and tighten the screws until secure. Concrete or brick wall installation. Using a bubble level to ensure straightness, hold the wall plate to the desired location on the wall and mark the center of the 4 mounting holes with a pencil. Use a 3/8 of an inch drill bit and drill on the marked locations to a depth of 2.4 inches. Clear any dust and debris from the holes and insert the provided concrete anchors. Secure the wall plate to the wall using the provided lag screws and washers. Tighten the screws until secure. Lay your TV down on a flat surface and align the VESA arms over the VESA holes. Select the appropriate size mounting bolts and washers for your display's mounting holes and attach the VESA brackets in the matching configuration as shown here. Hang the TV on the wall plate by hooking the top of the VESA brackets over the top of the plate. Lower the bottom of the TV down until the latches on both VESA brackets click into place over the bottom of the wall plate. To remove the TV from the wall plate, pull down on the pull cord until the latches are released. Pull the bottom of the TV away from the wall, then lift the TV up and away from the wall plate. Level the TV using the bolts on the top of each VESA bracket. Tighten or loosen the bolt shown here to raise or lower the height of the VESA bracket. Adjust the tilt of the TV by using the upper bolt on the side of each VESA bracket. Loosen the bolt, adjust the TV to the desired angle, then tighten the bolt back down.